All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So yes, every year I think I do this. I go over to a Verizon store and I buy whatever the latest Defender Pro Series case is for my current iPhone, which this year I am rocking the Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro, my 256 gig. So I wanted to get me an OtterBox because I think I buy OtterBox every year. And Verizon always has a discount. Now this year they just gave a flat 15 bucks off. So these are normally $59.99 and I got it for $44.99. And here's the correct label for this. I'm gonna tell you a quick story. She originally sold me one that said iPhone 2021 large. And that was actually for the iPhone 13 models. But you need to get, for the 13 Pro, not the 13 Pro Max, the 13 Pro, you need to get iPhone 2021 Large Pro. And it'll have the bigger cutout now. It does come with the belt clip that I won't use. She didn't think it came with the belt clip, but it actually does. And so I immediately put this on because I love OtterBoxes. I have actually dropped my phone already several times. It slid out of my pocket. It's not that I dropped it, it slid out of my pocket. And even though I had a case on it, that case is slippery. It's an ultra thin case, and I wanted something with grip. So I decided to do my normal spill and go over to the Apple store and go over to the Verizon store and grab my OtterBox. I went with the blue version this time. I think this blue complements the Sierra Blue phone very well on the back. And so I'm going to go ahead and take it off because I know you guys might wonder, hey, how do you take it on and off? I'm going to be buying a tempered glass. I believe Whitestone Dome sent out some tempered glasses too, and I'll probably check those out later. But as you can see here, it still has a nice lip on the front, on the top and the bottom there. So if you don't have a tempered glass or a screen protector, you lay it down flat, it is going to be protected either way. Again, I just like this color combination with the Sierra Blue. I think it looks great. You got a nice little off tone, like a very bright silver looking teal colored offset that blue. I just think that looks fantastic. Again, big lip around the top and around the sides. Your screen will be protected if you drop this thing. Power button is extremely accurate when pressing. Volume rocker and everything works good. And you have your vibrate mute switch deeply recessed like it should be, and that works great. And then you got your charging port deeply recessed as well. And then the cutouts for the bottom down here are open as well. So let's take this off. But before I take it off, you can see the OtterBox branding down here. And then you've got the big recess there for the camera. I also need to show you the wireless charging. So hold on just a second here. All right, so I was wondering if it wireless charged because she was checking it too. And I'm gonna see if it wireless charges. There we go. So if you're wondering if this case will wireless charge your device, you can still use your wireless charging. Now your MagSafe will not work. The MagSafe does not work with this. I tried it. I have MagSafe in my car, but I do have also wireless charging built into my car, like a big spot for wireless charging, and that works. But MagSafe, it just can't hold the weight of this. So again, on the wireless charger, it is working. So let's go ahead and take this off so I can show you how I put it on and off. I just kind of pulled at a corner and worked my way around like that. And you get this piece off right here. And then there's these little tabs right here. And just be sure, try not to break any of these clips because you need these clips. You need these clips to hold the case together. All right. And then you get the nice padding in here. Defender Pro Drop Plus. This kind of just goes in this piece together. And then there it is. Here's the case all broken down. It is very easy to take this case apart. No ifs, ands, or buts. It is a simple case to remove and you shouldn't have any problems with it. So again, before you put your case back together, I suggest you clean the back of it at least. And we'll drop this back in here. And you'll know if you have the top on correctly because the cutout for the speaker has now been moved. So you see that groove at the top? That lets you know you have it on correct. And just hit the sides up until you feel some snaps. And you hear the snaps and then you pop it on and then you work your way around.
Do you know what I see here? I see
I tell you what I see. I see a YouTube video starting that I didn't want to start. All right. All right. Work it all around. And then you're back on. There it is. So the OtterBox Defender series is one of my favorite series of cases. And I'm really happy that they have this newer color blue. I don't recall this blue. The other blue I remember for OtterBox when they had blue was a little darker. So this is obviously, I believe, a new version of blue. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but I haven't seen this lighter color blue before, but also I've been buying the black OtterBoxes too. So I was actually looking for an NTG case, but they don't have any yet because NTG is a lot less in price. This is like $12 compared to the $50 I spent on here. They're very good cases too. But OtterBox is proven drop tests, and it's really thin. It's not as bulky as one would think. You know, people think these are really heavy, bulky cases, but they're not. It gives this phone what it needs, which is some grip, and then you still get your wireless charging function for those people that want that. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed the brand new OtterBox Defender Pro Drop Plus for the iPhone 13 Pro. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.